Cloudy the bunny snuggles beside Mommy on the big, warm bed. His yellow pajamas feel so cozy and soft against his fur. The room is quiet, except for soft hums from the stars outside the window. Cloudy loves hearing Mommy's soft voice tell a story before bedtime. But tonight, Mommy smiles and whispers, "Cloudy, you're getting so big. Would you like to sleep in your very own room tonight?" Cloudy's big blue eyes go wide with surprise. That sounds new and different. Mommy takes Cloudy by the paw and tiptoes down the soft moonlit hallway. She opens the door to Cloudy's very own bedroom. There is a small bed with a sunny yellow blanket and a fluffy pillow just for him. On the wall, friendly stars and cozy nightlights shine gently. "This is your special room," Mommy says, giving Cloudy a big squeeze. Cloudy looks around. Everything feels new and a little bit wonderful. Is he really big enough for this? Cloudy sits on the edge of his new bed. Mommy tucks him in with the sunny yellow blanket and kisses his forehead. "Sweet dreams, my brave bunny," she whispers, brushing his soft ears. Cloudy looks around at the glowing stars on the wall and his soft pillow. It feels safe, but very, very different from Mommy's room. Cloudy wants to try being big, but a little worry tickles in his tummy. Mommy turns off the big light and leaves the little night lights on. The door closes softly. Now it is just Cloudy and his friendly stars. The room is very quiet. Cloudy listens. He hears small sounds, maybe the wind or a creaky board, and wonders if he is safe on his own. His heart feels thumpy in his chest. He hugs his yellow blanket tight and wishes Mommy was still here. A soft rustle comes from the window. Cloudy pulls his ears down and tries not to wiggle. The room feels too big, and the bed feels too soft and empty. Cloudy's nose twitches as a tiny worry grows inside him. Maybe there are monsters under the bed, he thinks, even though Mommy said there is nothing scary here. The shadows seem to move. Cloudy wants to call out for help. Cloudy peeks under the bed, just to check. Nothing but furry slippers and a tiny dust bunny. No monsters here. Still, the quiet makes Cloudy miss the soft sounds of Mommy's breathing. Cloudy squeezes his pillow and wishes he could sleep in the big bed again. He rubs his eyes. The room feels too quiet and too big for one small bunny tonight. Cloudy remembers what Mommy always says. If you feel scared, take 3 deep bunny breaths. Cloudy sits up and takes one big, slow breath. In, out. He takes another, feeling his chest go up and down, just like Mommy showed him. One more breath makes his heart slow down. Cloudy starts to feel a little bit braver, even though he's still alone. Cloudy spots his favorite soft bunny doll on the pillow next to him. He picks it up and gives it a big, gentle hug. The doll smells a little like home and like hugs from Mommy. Cloudy smiles a tiny bit. He curls around his bunny doll, brushing his nose against the fuzz. With his friend beside him, Cloudy feels a bit less alone. Cloudy hears a soft knocking sound by the window. He looks and sees a tiny, smiley star twinkling just for him. The star wiggles and shines, casting friendly patterns of light on the walls. Cloudy grins and waves at the star. It feels like the star is saying, "I am here with you." Cloudy feels brave with his bunny doll and his twinkly new friend. Cloudy closes his eyes, holding his bunny doll tight. He imagines the friendly star sitting beside him, twinkling softly. In his mind, the star tells him, "You are safe. Mommy is right down the hall." Cloudy smiles and feels cozy. He remembers the soft hum Mommy made when she tucked him in. The gentle sound helps Cloudy feel even braver inside. Cloudy opens his eyes and sits up just a little. He listens hard. Far away, he hears Mommy and Daddy's voices laughing in the kitchen. Their happy sounds float through the door. I am not really alone, Cloudy thinks. My family is always close, even in my own room. He takes another bunny breath and feels a little proud. The room is quiet again. Cloudy yawns a big bunny yawn. He hugs his bunny doll and pulls the yellow blanket up to his chin. The friendly star still shines gently on the wall, making the room feel safe. Cloudy's eyes grow heavy. He feels warm, sleepy, and a little bit happy. Maybe his own room isn't so scary after all. Cloudy drifts close to sleep. He dreams of hopping across soft clouds with friendly stars twinkling above. A gentle breeze smells like Mommy's hugs. In the dream, Cloudy laughs and feels so safe. His own room glows like a magic land. Dreams fill his heart with happiness and love, just like home. Cloudy is not scared anymore. Morning sunlight peeks into Cloudy's room. Mommy comes in with a bright, sunny smile. "Good morning, my brave bunny," she cheers, scooping Cloudy up in a big hug. Cloudy giggles. He did it! He slept all night in his own room. Mommy is proud, and Cloudy feels big and happy. The room feels extra cozy in the warm light. I was a little scared, Cloudy says softly. Mommy nods and says, "That's okay, Cloudy. Everyone feels scared sometimes. But you tried, and now your room feels safe and special." Cloudy beams with pride. Tonight, he can sleep in his own room again, with Bunny Doll and friendly stars. Cloudy knows he is safe, loved, and very, very brave.